Dạy dày ròm tích lớp vô sao rồng Anh lăng tên chung bát thao không Bọc tên xa mà rồi không bông Chẳng đếch tè rưỡi chẳng đếch mông.
There we go. Local Enduro. Ball shot by Jomar Bilaban. Oy! Agay ka! Agay ka! Ball shot by ball shot by number 7. Exam ni rider na ito na mga kigsunan. And also Arcayan. And also from Tap Cebu City. And also Buryong. And also that is Pador. And also Tartar. And also from Danao City. And also from Tap Cebu City. Jomar Bilaban. That is local Enduro category. Local Enduro number 7. Isang mga rider dito Maylan. Okay, another rider. At ang team Paril Arcayan na si Kaluha. Another rider from Tap. And also another rider that is Buryong. And also that is Tartar. And also rider that is Pador. And also from Cebu City, Tap Cebu City rider. And also another rider from Danao City, number 11. And also number 11 from Danao City Racing Team. That is local Enduro. Leading the race from Paril, Cebu City. Second place, that is Arcayan. From Tap. Gisundan ni Tartar from Tap. Gisundan sa Japon sa Tap. Boy, riders down. Another rider, Buryong. Gisundan ni Pador. Oh. Bapak siya Muhammad Tumba. Cebu City ha. Advance happy fiesta kaninyong tanan. Uy, option ni Pong. Uy. Ang ni out man ka.
Di man ko siya ganahan niya ra. Listen ko no. Ganahan siya ato. Igitibahin ko no. Ato ba? Isumay yun na. Para mo na out natin. Ang ginanara makagukod ka na ako.
Hala. Leading the race from Parel, Cebu City. White flag is up. Sige, Marshall. Padaplina na Marshall. Padaplina ng Lauper Marshall. Leading the race, number 7. Number 7, leading the race from Parel. Gisundan ni Arkayan. From Tap-Tap, hala. Gilingi pas Tartar. Another rider. Checkered flag is up to number 7 from Parel, Cebu City. Gisundan ni Arkayan. Gisundan ni Tartar. And also from Tap-Tap, Cebu City. And also Padur. And also from Danau City.